The secrets of humanity's most profound past may not be found in dusty scrolls or crumbling libraries, but are instead etched directly into the very landscapes we inhabit, aligned with the cosmos itself. What if our perception of history is merely a fragmented whisper, obscuring a monumental truth about our origins and an intelligence far beyond what we typically imagine our ancestors to possess? Welcome to Echoes of Time, your portal to the forgotten pages of history, where we delve into the untold stories and unresolved enigmas that lie beneath the surface of centuries. Today, we embark on a journey that will challenge your fundamental understanding of ancient civilizations, peering into a widespread, sophisticated astronomical knowledge that seemingly transcends the known capabilities of their era. We are about to unmask humanity's lost cosmic blueprint, revealing the silent architects of the stars. For generations, humanity has gazed upon the colossal achievements of its ancestors with a mixture of awe and bewilderment. From the iconic precision of Stonehenge, its towering megaliths meticulously oriented to capture the solstices, to the intricate celestial maps meticulously carved and calculated by the Mayans, charting the movements of planets with breathtaking accuracy, and the mind-boggling alignments of the Giza pyramids, each corner of our world offers silent testimony. These monumental structures, scattered across continents and separated by vast oceans and timelines, hint at a profound, almost superhuman understanding of the heavens. They are not merely impressive feats of engineering. They are colossal calendars, observatories, and perhaps even cosmic transmitters, permanently marking Earth's relationship with the celestial dance above. These wonders pose an enduring enigma to modern scholarship. Mainstream archaeology, anchored in established timelines and technological progressions, often struggles to fully reconcile such achievements with the primitive tools and societal structures generally attributed to their creators. How could societies without advanced mathematics, metallurgy, or means of global communication possess such a unified, precise, and complex grasp of astronomical phenomena? How were they able to quarry, transport, and assemble colossal stones with such geometrical exactitude, often aligning them to within fractions of a degree with distant celestial bodies? For centuries, scholars have marveled at these ancient blueprints, scrutinizing every angle, every alignment, every possible interpretation, ceaselessly seeking to understand the how and the why behind such astonishing cosmic insight. The sheer scale and consistent themes across disparate cultures provoke a singular, persistent question. Did a universal knowledge once connect these cultures across immense distances and unfathomable stretches of time? The challenge presented by these structures and the knowledge they embody is immense. If our ancestors were indeed as rudimentary as often depicted, then these cosmic monuments are inexplicable anomalies. But what if our historical lens is simply too narrow? What if there's a hidden chapter, a profound missing piece in the grand narrative of human civilization? This fundamental disconnect has spurred a fascinating array of competing theories, each attempting to fill the void and explain the genesis of this lost cosmic blueprint. These theories invite us to reconsider everything we thought we knew about our past, pushing the boundaries of conventional thought and daring us to explore possibilities that history books often omit. One compelling perspective suggests that these silent architects were in fact an advanced, forgotten human civilization. Imagine a golden age, a highly sophisticated society whose wisdom was tragically lost to time, perhaps annihilated or scattered by a devastating global catastrophe. The survivors, or their descendants, would then have carried fragments of this once great knowledge, meticulously embedding it within these monumental structures as a legacy, a warning, or perhaps even a cosmic message for future generations. This theory postulates that humanity itself once reached a zenith of understanding, only to fall, leaving behind these enigmatic markers as the sole remnants of a bygone era. These structures, therefore, become a kind of time capsule, preserving scientific and spiritual insights from a technologically advanced, yet now vanished, human lineage. It challenges the linear progression of human history, suggesting instead a cyclical pattern of rise and fall, where sophisticated knowledge could emerge, flourish, and then disappear, leaving only echoes in stone and myth. The widespread nature of these alignments, from the Americas to Europe, Africa to Asia, could be interpreted as the remnants of a globally interconnected society, or at least one influenced by a common source of ancient sophisticated understanding before such connections were severed by cataclysm. Such a catastrophic event, capable of wiping out an advanced culture, would also explain the absence of other, more conventional archaeological traces, leaving only the most durable and significant monuments to speak across the millennia. The knowledge encoded within these stones would then represent a desperate effort to preserve crucial information, a cosmic language designed to outlast empires and epics. Another, more controversial, theory points towards external influences, perhaps even the intervention of ancient astronauts. This captivating idea posits that humanity received a vital infusion of knowledge from beings not of this earth. These cosmic visitors, possessing advanced technology and a deep understanding of the universe, might have shared a universal blueprint for technological and spiritual advancement, guiding early human civilizations in their development. Under this premise, the precisely aligned megalithic structures and intricate celestial observatories were not solely indigenous creations, but were built with guidance or direct instruction from these gods or teachers from the stars. They might have provided the necessary expertise in engineering, astronomy, and mathematics, imparting a framework for understanding the cosmos that far surpassed what fledgling human societies could have developed independently. This theory often draws on ancient myths and religious texts from various cultures, which frequently describe sky dwellers descending to Earth, interacting with humans, and bestowing knowledge. Mind-boggling alignments and almost superhuman understanding would, in this context, be explained by a non-human origin for the foundational knowledge, offering a radical reinterpretation of humanity's intellectual evolution. It suggests that our quest to understand the stars is not just an innate human drive, but perhaps a reawakening of a wisdom once gifted to us from beyond, a memory of an interstellar connection that shaped our earliest cultural and technological advancements. The uniformity of certain cosmic understandings across cultures, despite vast geographic separation, becomes a compelling argument for a shared, non-terrestrial source, a universal curriculum taught to early humanity. However, a third, equally profound perspective offers a different explanation, one that champions the innate genius and observational prowess of ancient human cultures themselves. This theory suggests that these structures are not remnants of lost technology, nor are they products of extraterrestrial instruction, but rather profound expressions of a highly sophisticated, yet purely indigenous, understanding of natural cycles and a deep spiritual connection to the cosmos. According to this view, ancient peoples were not primitive, but were astute observers, meticulously studying the sky over countless generations. Their survival depended on an intimate knowledge of seasonal changes, which are inextricably linked to celestial movements. Through patient, dedicated observation, passed down and refined across millennia, they developed an unparalleled comprehension of astronomical patterns. This knowledge wasn't just scientific, it was deeply interwoven with their spirituality, their sense of place in the universe, and their communal existence. The monuments then become a testament to their profound intellectual capacity, their innovative problem-solving, and their holistic worldview. The precise alignments would be the culmination of centuries of dedicated observational astronomy, rendered in stone as both a practical tool for timekeeping and agriculture and as a sacred expression of their interconnectedness with the cosmic order. The universal blueprint would thus be a reflection of universal principles, discernible through sustained observation, principles that astute observers across the globe could independently discover and express in their unique cultural contexts, leading to convergent solutions for understanding the cosmos. This perspective reclaims the intellectual agency of ancient humans, celebrating their capacity for complex thought and spiritual insight without recourse to external or lost advanced civilizations, demonstrating how monumental effort and sustained ingenuity, fueled by profound spiritual belief, could unlock the universe's secrets. It posits that the seemingly superhuman understanding was, in fact, purely human, an apex of indigenous intellectual and spiritual development. To unravel these competing narratives, researchers delve into a rich tapestry of evidence. They meticulously examine archaeological sites, employing advanced techniques to date structures, analyze materials, and reconstruct construction methods, always seeking clues embedded in the physical remnants. Alongside this, ancient myths from diverse cultures are scrutinized, not as mere folklore, but as potential repositories of forgotten history, allegories describing catastrophic events, interactions with advanced beings, or profound spiritual insights that have been passed down through generations. Finally, astronomical calculations are performed, recreating the skies as they appeared thousands of years ago, comparing these ancient celestial maps with the alignments found in megalithic architecture to determine the precision and intent behind their construction. This multidisciplinary approach attempts to bridge the gap between material evidence, cultural narratives, and scientific data, illuminating the path to understanding these enduring enigmas. By cross-referencing these varied sources, scholars hope to piece together a coherent picture, even as each piece of the puzzle often raises new questions. Yet, despite centuries of dedicated scholarship, the full truth remains elusive. Each theory presents compelling arguments, supported by various interpretations of the evidence, yet none has achieved universal consensus. The very fact that mainstream archaeology struggles to fully integrate these extraordinary achievements into its established models underscores the enduring mystery. The how of moving and carving monumental stones with precision, and the why of dedicating such immense resources to celestial alignment continue to challenge conventional explanations. The question of a universal knowledge that might have connected disparate cultures across vast oceans and timelines continue to linger, a powerful echo through the ages, urging us to look beyond the accepted narratives. Were these structures the legacy of a forgotten human brilliance, a testament to an advanced civilization that vanished, leaving only these cosmic fingerprints? Or do they speak of a connection beyond our world, a dialogue with ancient astronauts who seeded knowledge amongst our ancestors? Or perhaps they are the ultimate expression of indigenous human genius, a profound understanding of natural cycles and spiritual connection to the cosmos, meticulously observed and passed down through generations of astute observers, a wisdom that we in our modern age are only now beginning to fully appreciate. As we prepare to have our perceptions of ancient history challenged, we stand at the precipice of a monumental reevaluation. The silent architects of the stars have left us an intricate puzzle, a lost cosmic blueprint waiting to be reassembled. Their legacy compels us to question, to explore, and to reconsider the true scope of human potential, both past and present. The echoes of their wisdom resonate across time, inviting us to look not just at what was built, but at what it means for who we are and who we might become. Each discovery is an echo of humanity's great history, a call to delve deeper into the past to better understand the present. Could the answers to our greatest cosmic questions truly lie not in the future, but hidden in plain sight, etched into the very foundations of our ancient past?